If you decide a Genesis 3 solution could work for you, how do we go about it? After an initial meeting, either in person or via a screen share conference to discuss your needs and talk about how we can help, we can agree to move forward. At this point, you make a small deposit to begin the estimate process. We work with you to develop the scope and specification using our online tools to collect all the details, and these details are always available to everyone involved. Once the information is gathered and the questions are answered, we provide you with a committed proposal including the initial color palette, screen design, screenshots of all screens, data model, business rule detail, an acceptance plan, as well as a timeline for the creation and deployment of the application. The estimate process generally takes a week or two if you're available for discussion. If the proposal is accepted, you make a 50% deposit and the work is begun. If the proposal is not accepted, the initial deposit is refunded. The next phase of the process is the prototype, during which we create an actual working version of the application located on one of our development servers. You're given access to the prototype from the beginning. The first segment is to finalize the color palette, style sheet, and screen template structure, as well as any design changes from our standard process. This sets the look and feel as well as the navigation of the application. When completed, the prototype will contain all of the screens in the proposal and the business rule processing. This phase typically takes 1 to 2 weeks depending on your availability. During this phase, the acceptance plan is followed to determine acceptability of each element in the plan. All aspects of the working application are completed during this phase. At the completion of the prototype phase, the application is locked down and you review and test the application, leading to final acceptance. Although the data used in the acceptance process is test data, a large amount of parametric data is collected and created during this phase that becomes part of the deployed application. This phase can take anywhere from a day to 2 weeks, depending on the complexity of the application. Upon acceptance, you pay the balance of the proposal, and the application, as well as any desired parametric data, is deployed on the target server. We offer 2 options for you to pay for the Genesis 3 web application. You can pay the proposal amount, deploy the application where you wish, and receive a single site license. It's yours for the price. The second option is a reduced initial investment and a monthly hosting agreement for 24 to 60 months on one of our servers to pay the balance, after which the same single site license is conveyed. Additional maintenance and support is always available at a modest hourly fee. The complete process from initial meeting to deployment can take as little as 3 or 4 days to a couple of months, typically being 2 to 4 weeks. To understand more about Genesis 3, where it came from and how it works, take a look at the movie The Concept by clicking on the link below. Thank you.